الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahbazali and my channel name is Jeddah Online Quran Academy. And today we are going to start the lesson number 3 of Madani qaida with TAjweed. And before starting this lesson, I request to everyone to subscribe my YouTube channel if anybody wanna learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed. So before moving forward, and I will tell you that this lesson is learned by any Holy Quran tutor is wrong because they are not supposed to ask, they are not supposed to tell the concept of harakat. So first of all, we should know the meaning of harakat. Basically, harakat is a plural of harakat. Harakat is a plural of harakat. What is mean by harakat? Basically, haraka is a study of individual, just like zabar, okay, or zer or pesh, ठीक है? And when we combine these terms, so this is called harakat. Okay, got it? The letter which has a haraka on it is called mutharik. When any letter having haraka on it is called mutaharik. Just like, let's suppose, and ba is letter having haraka. So this is called mutaharik. Tha is letter having haraka. So this is called mutaharik. Okay, this is a concept of mutaharik. And the third point, how we pronounce the harakat, how we read the harakat. Pronounce the zabar. So before moving, uh, the other name of zabar is fatah. Okay, the other name of zabar is fatah, and zer is kasra, and the pesh is dama. Okay, pronounce the zabar by opening the mouth. Pronounce the zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice, just like ba, tha, ha, thi, bu. Okay, sorry, pronounce the zabar, just only zabar. Okay, ba, tha, ha, da, wa, sa. Okay, got it? Pronounce the zir by dropping the voice. Pronounce the zir by dropping the voice, just like b, thi, he, di, ri, si. Okay, and pronounce the pesh by rounding the lips. Pronounce pesh by rounding the lips, just like bu, su, hu, du, ru, su. Okay, the fourth point, pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent without stretching and suddenly pausing the voice. How we read the harakat? Basically, harakat is being read without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice, just like ba, bi, bu. Don't read as ba, bi, bu or ba, bi, bu. Just read as ba, bi, bu. Without stretching and suddenly pausing the voice. Okay. If a haraka or sukoon is present on alif, if a haraka or sukoon is present on alif, then pronounce it as hamza. Don't read as alif. I repeat again. If a haraka or sukoon is present on alif, if a haraka or sukoon, haraka, this is haraka, and this is haraka, is present on alif. So then pronounce it as, then alif, pronounce it as hamza. Don't read as alif. Read as hamza zabara. Don't read as alif zabar a, alif zer e, alif pesh. Okay, just read as hamza zabar a, hamza zer e, hamza pesh. Okay. The last point, if the letter ra has a fatha, it means zabar, or dama, it means pesh. On it, pronounce it with a thicker voice. Okay, if letter ra has fatha, and fatha means zabar, or dama, it means pesh. On it, then it pronounce it with thicker voice, just like ra, ru, ra, ru. If in other case, if the letter ra has a kasra, it means zer below it, then ra pronounce it with a thin tone, just like re. Don't read as re, just like read as re. Okay. Now let's we start the lesson. And during reading this letter, during learning, we should follow the rules. And you will read with me. Okay. Hamza zabar a. This letter, especially I asked again, this letter is read as hamza because it has haraka on it. Okay. Hamza zabar a, hamza zer e, hamza pesh u, a e u. I already asked again that haraka is being read without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. Okay. Ba zabar ba zerbi, ba peshbu, ba bi bu. Next, ta zabarta, ta zerti, ta peshtu, ta ti tu. Tha zabartha, tha zerthi, tha peshtu, tha thi thu. And this letter is being read without visual sound. Okay. And zabar is pronounced by opening the mouth. Tha. Zabar is pronounced by opening the mouth and raising the voice. Tha. And zer is pronounced by dropping the voice. Thi. And pesh is pronounced by rounding the lips. So. Tha. Thi. So. Okay. Jim zabarja, jim zer ji, jim pesh ju, ja ji ju. Ha zabar ha zer hi, ha pesh hu, ha hi hu. And this sky color highlighted letters are haruf musta'ali letters. And we learned in lesson number 1 that Mustaliya letters is always being read in thicker voice. Okay. Kho, zabar kho, kho, zer khi, kho, pesh khu, kho, khi, khu. Dal, zabarda, dal, zedi, dal, peshdu, da, di, do. Ral, zabarda, ral, zedi, ral, peshdu, ra, ri, zu. Gha, zabar gha, ra, zeri, را پیش رو را ری رو. ز زی زو. س سی سو. ش شی شو. In this chapter, the big concept, which is very important to understand, that haraka is being read without stretching and suddenly pausing the voice. So this is big concept in this lesson. Okay. So this is mustali letters, and all these haruf, and all these mustali letters. Okay. So, sqi, squ, do, di, do, tro, tri, tro, lo, li, lu, ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, fa, fi, fu, qo, ti, qu, ka, ki, ku, la, li, lu, ma, mi, mu, na, ni, nu, wa, wi, wu, ha, hi, hu, a, i, u, ya, yi, you. And this lesson are completed. So if you have any queries, confusion, and questions regarding this letter, so you may ask, and inshallah I will give the positive response to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.